Well, I'm Don. I'm a bespoke shoemaker based in Bangkok. Well, I run the company with my wife, Bee. We work together, we run the factory together, and we work every day together. Yeah, we started in 2009. Things only really got going around 2012. We opened our first shop 2014 in Mahanakan. Sadly, that concept's changed now though. So we just work from our factory, making bespoke shoes by appointment only. Precision engineering. Yeah. So yeah, I guess that's what pushes me forward with getting a correct fit, because I'm used to working with tight tolerances, and I enjoy making the perfect fitting shoe. When it comes to bespoke shoemaking, it is a journey. I enjoy getting to know my customers. It's almost like in making shoes for friends that happen to pay, you know, because you get to know them, you get to well, know their feet and make adjustments and improve and make the perfect fitting shoe over time. Yeah.